this service is helping to save lives.
Jess Murray opens the drug checking program at this office above Jasper Avenue. Anyone who wants to find out what's in the drug they bought can come in with stimulants like cocaine, methamphetamine, and opioids like fentanyl. Technicians test samples using a spectrometer, looking for the big culprits like carfentanil or benzodiazepines, more commonly known as benzos. Also, the concentration. This sample is 85% meth and 15% polymer, a filler.
Would you classify this as a safe drug?
Safety is relative. Mm-hmm. It depends on how you're using the drug itself. So with meth, there's obvious addiction potential.
Murray's team works out of the Queer and Trans Health Collective and gives clients the results in person, by phone, or email.
We know that people are going to use substances, whether we like it or not. We just want to make sure that if they are using substances, they know what's in their substances, they're able to get supplies for their substances to use it more safely.
Many advocates agree drug checking programs are vital in trying to put a dent in the drug overdose crisis. This week, Edmonton's chief of police also points out it's an ever-changing and dangerous situation.
Overdoses have gone up. And people think that this is about safe drugs. There's no such thing as safe. The reality is when the gangs are involved, they really don't care how many people die, and I don't mean to be harsh on that, but the reality is we absolutely need to target those folks.
While this kind of service is new in Alberta, neighboring British Columbia started 5 years ago, has 25 spectrometers and 105 community harm reduction centers. That's where they're finding new and novel substances all the time.
What we know is that the drug supply is getting increasingly toxic and unpredictable. So I think that's one thing that drug checking's been really helpful for, is helping us to understand what's in the drug supply at the consumer end of the unregulated drug supply.
The equipment is expensive, running about $50,000. This one came from funding from the federal government. The Alberta government points out illegal drugs are dangerous, and they're focusing on expanding detox, treatment, and recovery services. This advocate says all well and good if you can get there.
Nobody can access treatment services if they're dead, right?
Natasha Reeb, CBC News, Edmonton.